Day. Happy Father's Day to all y'all pappies. If your father is not in your life, enjoy your time with your father figures. If your father figure ain't in your life, it's okay. Jesus always got you. Jesus your daddy. He is, okay?
Hey, it's a brand new day. Wake up, darling, show me what you can do with the gifts you're given. Trust.
Happy Saturday. Not much planned today. I decided to bring y'all along. Going hiking. This is the first time that I've been at this trail. So kind of interesting. It's actually not as big as I thought it was, but we'll see. And I was secluded for a while, but I think now I'm starting to see more people. But yeah, after this, I need to eat breakfast. It's 9 something. I woke up around 7. Decided I haven't been hiking in a while, so let's go for it. Yeah, I'm gonna get breakfast, and then I have some errands to run. I'll probably take y'all along on my errands as well. So I'm gonna enjoy this. See y'all later.
Too soon, but I'm here.
You're all I need, all of me on my knees. Normally harmony, bumblebee, hummingbird. I'm a nerd, study you. What do you, WWF? We fighting, we might need counseling.
Out of nowhere, saw it coming my way.
So I kind of take back what I just said about this trail being small. It's not. I might be lost. I'm not. I can just read the signs and get back out. But I was looking for the white marks. Now all I'm seeing are the blue marks. And it didn't take me this long to get to the blue marks when I first started. So I take back my comment. I was wrong. This trail will definitely become one of my home trails now because it's much bigger than I thought. And running would actually be pretty nice in here because it's not as small as I thought. Wow, I might be lost. It is 10:47 and I'm still trying to find my way out. I know I'm not lost, I'm just kind of lost. I'll update y'all when I get out. Not sure how this happened, but I somehow ended up behind my car. I need to learn how to read signs. How? How did this happen? I don't know. I made it out though. I need to learn how to read signs. Yes, I do. Okay, it is time to get breakfast. I am hungry. I have been out here, I think since 8 something. It's time. It's about time. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm just happy to be out. I'm happy to be out. I am going to this place called Orleans Coffee and Beignets. I've never been there. First time that I'll be going there. Oh crap, I got a bee stuck in my car. Well, I guess I'm gonna just ride with the windows down and it's gonna go out. No biggie. And it's right here now. Get up. Yes, thank you. But yes, I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna get some coffee and a beignet, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go to Marshall's because I have some errands to run. Oh, it's about to be a long Saturday. It is now 11 o'clock. You see the amount of things you can do when you wake up early? So I ended up at Publix somehow because I ended up calling my mom, asking her if she needed anything while I was out. And she said, of course she always does. So yeah, now I can finally go home, y'all. I've been late. I started my hike around 8. Went to Walmart by accident. It wasn't really by accident, but I thought I could find what I was looking for. Couldn't find it. Ended up going to Marshall's. Got more than I was trying to, but I got some really cute stuff that I'm going to show y'all later on. And then from Marshall's came to Publix, and now I can finally go home, eat. I haven't eaten. All I've had is coffee. My beignets are still waiting. I tasted them, they were really good, but Yeah, my omelet still waiting. But yeah, I can finally go home at 1:40. 1:40, y'all. Anywho, pull up to culture. I made it back home, and this is the project that I was talking about. So my closet was getting definitely overcrowded. It's just too much going on, and I just don't like the clutter. So I bought this little storage shelving thing, and I just put it together and started moving some of my clothes on it so I can organize this mess and get this stuff off the door, and now this stuff off my bed. So this is one of the dresses that I ended up getting at Marshall's. I really like it. It has this little split on the side.
Rise and shine, gotta get the day started. Sun beaming in my face as the blessings keep falling.